Hey all, happy morning to you all. Let me help you to solve the questions in the chapter gravitational field, which were the basic questions, application questions of the formula. We have to think, just change a small inch in the formula, so we'll get the answer. So this is the way how we have to solve. So in the physics, the first thing is matters. Write all the given quantities. First you should write what is the given in the question, and if possible mention a diagram. So let me solve this question. There are two bodies of mass m and 9m. This is the two bodies m and 9m which are separated by a distance r, and the gravitational potential line joining of the potential joining of both of there is a gravitational field. You can mark it as q is equal to 0 is the point where gravitational potential on the line joining the bodies. Okay, so this is the distance, you can write it as x, and this is the distance, you can write it as r minus x. At first they were given about gravitational field. You know what is the formula for force? G m1 m2 by r square. This is the formula for force. So simply we need just the formula of gravitation, right? So let me erase this. We simply need what is a formula for gravitational field. So G, that is, we are going to deal with only G. So we'll deal with only a single mass at a time. So we can simply write as gm by x square for this one, for this mass, simple single mass. And for our second object we'll deal with g 9m by r minus x whole square. So make sure erase of these stuff. So on equating this simply gm by x square is equal to g 9m divided by r minus x square. You can gm gets cancelled, r minus x, this will go here, square divided by x square is equal to 9. This is square, no, when the square moves this side it will remove the square and it will turn into 3. 3 3s are 9, no. So next step we can write as r minus x divided by x is equal to 3, r minus x is equal to 3x. The next step I'll mention above, r in this x minus x will turn this side into 3x plus x, r is equal to 4x. And what will be the value of x? X is equal to r by 4. This is the formula. Okay, this is the gravitational field. What we find, only the value of x. They are asking also about what is the gravitational potential. What is the gravitational potential, they were asking. Okay, what is the formula for gravitational potential? I'm not asking for gravitational potential energy, I'm just asking for gravitational potential. That is V is equal to minus gm by r. This is the gravitational potential's formula. Actually we know here instead of r we're going to represent it as so instead of r we can make it as x. So we know the value of x is equal to r by 4, and we also know the one thing, that is r minus x, the value. Shall we substitute the value to find out r minus x? R minus, what is that, r by 4, I think so, r by 4. You can write it as simply, make sure to erase this, 4r minus r divided by 4, that is 3r by 4. This is the value of r minus x. Directly we can substitute all these values into our formulas. That is gravitational potential gm by x minus is equal to minus gm by r minus x. We know the values minus gm by all these are in the condition of minus x. What is the value of x? R by 4. And what is the value of this one? 3r by 4. So 3r by 4. So we can simply write as 4gm by 3r. This can also be written as 4gm, right? This can move 4gm by r. So you can take LCM. 3 will be your LCM. 4 3s are 12. So make sure I'll write here. So is equal to minus 12gm by r minus 4gm by r. So our answer will be minus minus is a plus, so is equal to minus 16gm by r. This will be our answer. So the correct option is option B is our answer. So shall we, this is the model which is also in the example question, but if you do the question in the previous question which will give an idea, this is the model how you have to work out. So first listen the question carefully. They were given about gravitational field. So find out the gravitational field, and they were talking about the gravitational potential and do with the gravitational potential. Okay, make a try of it and move to the next question. What is it? This is a satellite question. This is the direct formula question. The formula is T is equal to 2 pi root of r cube by gm. This is a direct formula question they were asking. Okay, this is a formula. Satellite, in the sense satellite along with the time period, this is the only formula. Okay, along with they were given g. Okay, what they were given is how much the t is equal to this much value. Okay, let me the satellite which has only one formula, that is t is equal to 2 pi root of r cube by gm. We know the m has the value of density is equal to mass by volume, the similar formula. So mass, so we get mass is equal to, we'll get a density into volume. We know the what is a volume, 4 by we know what is the volume, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So substitute this value here. So t is equal to 2 pi root of r cube divided by g. What is the value of m? 4 by 3 pi r cube into d. So pi r cube gets cancelled, and 3 will move up because it is in the denominator. So let me, t is equal to 2 pi root of 3 by 4 pi d g. Okay, so what is the question they were given here? So remove the 2 pi out of it. So 2 pi will get cancelled. 4 pi உள்ள இருக்கிறதால ஸ்கொயர் குள்ள இருக்கிறதால it will be in the 4 pi. அதே ஸ்கொயருக்கு வெளியில 4 pi எடுத்தோம்னா it will be around 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi cancel ஆயிடும். So balance என்ன இருக்கு? 3 by gd இருக்கு. Root of t is equal to root of 3 by yes. Yes, let me wait. Yes, again you'll get similar, t is equal to root of 3 by gd. So this is almost similar. So when we move the square root here, what we get, this is similar, t square is equal to, you'll get a 3 by gd. So almost similar, no? So option A will be our correct answer, that is t square. And the next question, read out the question carefully. And a body of mass is a 60 gram, they were given in grams, we have to convert into kilograms. So 60 by 1000, okay. And the gravitational force is 3 Newton at a particular point. The gravitational field intensity, we know what is the formula of gravitational intensity, that is force by m. What is the force we were experiencing here? 3 Newton divided by mass they were given is 60 by 1000. So make a clean out of it. 3 divided by 60 into 1000, because denominatorல இருக்கிறது மேலே போயிடுச்சு. So 0 0 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 2s are 2s, 50s. See the option where is 50. Let me erase this first. 50, option B will be your answer. This is the simplest question they were asked in NEET 2022. And the next question is, as I said, the ditto of the last page dimensions. That is, first shall we see, I'll show you one. The gravitational constant, the simple formula F is equal to g m1 m2 by r square. So we are going to identify the value of g. G is equal to f r square by m1 m2. What is the formula of F? F is equal to mass into acceleration, we know. So we'll write mass for m, acceleration we know L t power minus 2, and already it has r square, so L square. So already it has 1 L, so we can simply write it as L cube divided by, here 2 masses are there, m square. So cancel 1 m will be left, so 1 m will be left. So we can simply write it as m கீழே இருக்குது மேலே போச்சுன்னா it will be inverse, m inverse L cube t power minus 2, m inverse L cube. So for option A, option 2 will be the correct answer. So we don't want to solve all the things, okay. So for option A, our answer will be 2. Make sure the options, first 3 options will be same. What is the dissimilar option here? C will be the dissimilar one. So shall we solve the C? Option C, yes, gravitational potential, we know gravitational potential V is equal to minus gm by r. We know what is the formula for, what is the dimensional formula for G, just now we solved. That is they were mentioned m inverse L cube t power minus 2. Again gm by r, m, so into m, so this m will get cancelled. What is below, there were r is L, so L means L in the sense it gets cancelled, so L square will be here, so L square t power minus 2. This will be the answer. Check where is the option is gravitational potential, option 1 will be the answer. So let me check, option B is the correct answer, because C has 1, no, gravitational potential L square t power minus 2. This is the such a way to easy solve of all these dimensional questions. So make use of it. Thank you.